everybody, Megan here. Today I am going to show all of you how to make your very own throw pillow. I'm using this transfer here. It says "Then Sings My Soul." If you grew up in the South or grew up in a church, I'm sure that you have probably heard of this song. Today I'm going to showcase how easy it is using these transfers in our canvas pillowcases to make your very own throw pillow. Alright, as you can see, I've already got my transfer down onto my pillowcase. I have got a piece of cardboard and our Chalk Couture ink mat secured to the inside of the pillowcase to prevent any ink transfer through to the other side of the pillow. And we will get started. So first I'm going to do the border around the outside. I'm going to do that in some black ink. We have our permanent ink here that you can heat set and it stays forever on your piece of fabric. Alright, so I'm going to use this small squeegee so that I make sure that I stay in just the lines along the outside and do not get any of the ink onto the other portion of my transfer. The great thing about these pastes is that they can be used on t-shirts and any sort of fabric to make any sort of design that you would like with our couture transfers. We have many other transfer designs that you can use to put on pillows. We have the small lumbar size pillowcases that you can get to make a smaller pillow, as well as many other color options for our permanent ink. We have something in there for everybody. Make sure you go check out my website. You can find the link to that on my business page. Just click the button that says Shop Now and it should take you directly to my Chalk Couture page where you can check out all of the different products and things that we have. Make sure that you go take a look at the Club Couture options that we have. Where you can receive our monthly transfer straight to your door every month, free shipping, which also includes monthly promotions where you can get discounts on items that we have in our Chalk store. This month's promotion is all Club Couture members get 50% off of our last chance transfers. You can find those when you go to the shop section. There's an option down at the bottom that says last chance. Just click on that. You'll see all of our transfers that are going to be soon retired. As a Club Couture member, you get 50% off of those this month. Make sure you go check out the website and sign up. If you have any questions, feel free to comment, ask. I will do my best to answer any questions that you may have. Almost done here with the border portion. And if you're not a part of my VIP group, make sure comment below. Just comment VIP and I will add you to the VIP group. The VIP group is where I share special promotions and sales and sneak peeks of what is to come in the world of chalk couture. If you are interested in becoming a designer, comment, send me a message, let me know, and I can help you get all of the information and everything that you need to be able to start up your own business, becoming a chalk couture designer. Oh, forgot the two little music notes over here. All right. The next color I'm using is our Couture Teal. I am going to use that across the top. Up here. Make sure you have plenty of ink on your small squeegee when doing this so that you get good coverage and you don't have any spots missing when you go to fill up your transfer. Hey Randy, hey Cameron. I love this transfer here. The fact that it brings back the old-timey hymns that a lot of people have forgotten about nowadays. And then transition over to the new upbeat pop Christian songs. Next, I'm going to be using the coral color for the bottom portion here. Hey Tanya, hey Ashley. All right. This is the last little part of this. Cannot wait to peel this transfer up and see what beautiful design lays below. Trying to be careful over here near these edges as to not mix colors. Hope everybody is having a wonderful, happy Saturday. Ooh, got my days mixed up. That's what happens when you work in healthcare. Forget what day of the week it is. Almost done. Get this last little piece down here. Get up any excess, make sure I didn't miss any spots. All right. We're all done. Now let's do the best part, the peel. You want to make sure you peel from the side so that you don't stretch your transfer when you pull it up. All right. So we see here, not all the ink came all the way through. So we're just gonna lay that back down. Go back over it to make sure that we get good coverage and we don't have any random spots that are missed. And there we are. We are done. Look at that. That is beautiful. I love how this turned out all the way around. Love it. The next part is let it dry, heat set it, and get some pillow stuffing to see the true finished product. Thank you all for watching. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Happy Saturday and happy chalking.